Riedel Glasses. Do you need them for your home bar? So, you want to know if you need these fancy Riedel glasses in your home bar. You might have seen them on TV or in your favorite bartender's home bar, but do these glasses actually make any difference? Let us show you Riedel's story, some best Riedel glasses reviewed, and everything you need to know about these glasses. The story behind Riedel. Joseph Riedel, better known as the Glass King of Geyser Mountains, was a businessman with expertise in glassmaking, banking, and landholding. However, his passion will always be in making glasses. He's considered to have been one of Bohemia's greatest glassmakers by none other than an industry competitor who himself is well known for being great. Riedel's glassworks business started in 1858. After the founder died, his son registered a logo for Riedel in 1895. From there, they began making different kinds of accessories and wine glasses before receiving awards by the 20th century that helped draw attention to their products among discerning customers like sommeliers. By the 21st century, with leadership from Maximilian Joseph Riedel, who developed innovative designs influenced by modern art movements such as Cubism, it became some of the company's most popular items. 5 Best Riedel Glasses Reviewed. Here is a selection of the most popular glasses. 1. Heart-to-Heart Cabernet Sauvignon Glass, set of 2. The Heart-to-Heart series showcases a range of glasses for the different wines. A good pair of wine glasses that's priced just right, with an elegant and thin bowl perfect for swirling your drink, as well as being sturdy enough to wash in the top rack of your dishwasher too. 2. Riedel Wine Tumbler Cabernet or Merlot, set of 2. This bowl-shaped wine glass is very pleasant to use. Stemless glasses are easier and safer than stemmed ones since they can be easily stored in a cupboard or cabinet without taking up too much space. They're also sturdy enough for daily use. 3. 540892 Ouverture Wine Glass, set of 12. The Ouverture is a large set of glasses perfect for white and red wines. Each bowl helps release the aroma in your wine while balancing out any tannins you may be experiencing with its design. The pieces can even fit inside dishwashers, which makes things easier if they ever get dirty. This set comes at an affordable price that will leave most customers satisfied without breaking your bank account. 4. 68840 Performance Cabernet or Merlot Wine Glass. The Performance series is a new and luxurious wine glass that features light optic, machine-made Cabernet glasses. These cups show off the complex elegance of red wines in all their glory. The series also has bold with an impressive inner surface area, which makes it dishwasher safe as well. 5. VINUM Martini Glass, set of 2. A good sip of your favorite cocktails can be savored in a high-quality martini glass that is sized just right. Things to know about Riedel wine glasses. The Riedel wine glasses are sturdy enough to go through the dishwasher. Riedel wine glasses are crystal, but unlike the popular belief that crystals more easily break than other types of glass, these can be considered sturdier than most common kinds. Riedel glasses are lead crystals, but their lead content is well within the EU standards. What is the difference between Riedel wine glasses? Riedel has a distinct range of wine glasses designed for each wine type and purpose. 1. VINUM is designed for major grape varietals and is made for everyday usage. These glasses are characterized by their big and bold designs and are machine-made. 2. Veritas is lighter and taller compared to the VINUM range. These are also machine-made, dishwasher-safe, and sturdy. 3. Sommeliers are mouth-blown wine glasses and are known as the pinnacle of artistry and craftsmanship of Riedel. These are acclaimed to be the best glass for your wine. 4. Riedel glasses are stemless wine tumblers. They are the sturdiest in the lot, since you don't have to worry about breaking off the stem. 5. Grape is machine-blown, with the stem pulled out for a seamless design that is perfect for seated placements. 6. Vitis may be elegant to look at, but these are still dishwasher safe. Use the top rack always for all wine glasses. 7. Ouverture glass should not be confused with the Riedel O. While they come out cheaper, these glasses surely deliver despite their simplicity. So the question remains, are Riedel glasses a necessity or an expense? Wine glasses are an investment that depends on your purpose. If you intend to use them daily, or at least 4 times a week, they're sturdy and safe enough for the dishwasher. They might be pricey, but there is also a wide range of wine glass series, so you can choose one based on what fits into your lifestyle best. Sommeliers even identified VINUM as one of their recommended choices, covering Old World wines like Cabernet Sauvignon and New World wines like Chardonnay due to its durability. Did you like this video? Then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more information, stories, tips, and recipes.